How to turn on motion photo on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the camera application on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Now at the top you can see the motion photo icon. Be, Beside the 12 megapixel, tap on it. Now you can see motion photo on. Just click the photo. Make sure object is running on your device. Here object is not running, but let's see how it works. Now we take the photo, tap on it. Now you can see the motion photo option at the top when you take this picture on your device. When you using motion photo, you can use Boomerang also, slow motion. So you can access three camera feature using this one feature only. Tap on a Boomerang. Now you can see how it looks. Also you can tap on slow motion, so you can see the slow motion video on your device. Let's see another example we already created. So we open the gallery on my device and open the photo. Here we select the motion photo we selected. Here this is the motion photo. Now tap on a Boomerang and you can see how it looks when we create it. Also you can see the slow motion video. Now you can see the slow motion of a motion photo. So the using motion photo feature, you can access three different features on your Samsung S25 Ultra, like a Boomerang, slow motion and a motion photo. If you don't want to use motion photo, just turn it off. You can also select motion photo off. To also go to camera, tap on this icon. To motion photo up, you can see motion photo up. So when you see the yellow icon, it means motion photo on. Just tap on it to turn it off. So quite easy to use motion photo on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.